Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things beauty and personal care. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY nail art with a product that's been making waves in the beauty community. Get ready to elevate your nail game because we're talking about none other than the JODSONE 60 PCS Gel Nail Polish Kit. If you're on the hunt for the best gel nail polish set out there, look no further. The JODSONE kit is the ultimate game changer, boasting a whopping 60 bottles of colored gel nail polish, along with essential base and top coats, including a matte finish option. But wait, there's more. This kit also comes complete with a smart nail lamp and various manicure tools, making it a one-stop shop for all your at-home nail needs. Let's talk about that nail lamp, shall we? With 3 curing modes and 30 LED light beads, this smart nail lamp ensures that your gel polish cures evenly and effectively. Plus, its convenient automatic sensor means no more fumbling with buttons mid-manicure. It's as simple as slipping your hand in, and the light does the rest. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the gel polishes themselves. With a rainbow of 55 vibrant colors to choose from, you'll never run out of options for expressing your style. Whether you're into bold and bright shades or prefer timeless classics, this kit has something for everyone. But what sets the JODSONE kit apart from the rest? Made from natural resin and professional-grade formulas, these gel polishes deliver high shine and durability that lasts up to 21 days. Plus, the silky texture and soft brush make for easy application, whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete novice. But don't just take my word for it. Customers are raving about the JODSONE kit, praising its affordability, practicality, and impressive results. From saving time and money on salon visits to enjoying long-lasting, salon-quality nails at home, this kit has earned its spot as a must-have in any beauty arsenal. So, if you're ready to take your DIY manicures to the next level, look no further than the JODSONE 60 PCS Gel Nail Polish Kit. With its extensive color selection, high-quality formulas, and user-friendly design, it's no wonder why beauty enthusiasts everywhere are singing its praises. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy pampering!